What's up people, it's Paul here. We known for a long time now that Apple is deep into creation of augmented reality wearable, tentatively we known as Apple Glass. Now, we are at a point that smartphones had been innovating day by day with the further new technologies. As on that, we saw the Samsung S20 series which its camera can compete even with the DSLRs. Then the foldable smartphones and the new rendered of in-display camera smartphones. And in recent touch, we go through the first gimbal camera smartphone which was powered by Vivo brand. These all innovations have the same body with the glass sheet. In future, there is no doubt we can see the thin rollable bendable phones. Especially Lenovo and Sony is making stuff like that. You can simply watch our video on the cards or there will be link in the description box. So stick to the end because in this video we're gonna discuss about the new AR kits, Apple's VR invention and lot more stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
There is no doubt in the foreign times the technology will fully based on VR and AR. Here VR stands for virtual reality and AR stands for augmented reality. Yes, Apple's been fully investing in AR and here we've been hearing rumors of Apple that releasing its AR glass for a long time now. What's the difference between VR and AR? Virtual reality refers to full immersive experience in virtual world and augmented reality refers to modified view of real world. Currently, virtual reality headsets or multi-projected environment is to generate realistic images, sound or other sensation which make us feel that we are at that new simulated world. A user experiences the artificial world which moves interacts with the virtual features. This reality effect is created while the VR headsets are mounted on our head. And now AR. AR is an interactive experience of real world environment where the objects, the interaction is created by the computer. It's a combination of three terms: virtual world, real world and the real-time interaction, which chances and gives the 3D material for the virtual and real objects. I think you may understand the concept and difference between them. Apple launched AR kits while back in 2011. The iPhone user can try the AR tech by using the rear camera. Apple's been exploring this VR and AR tech for the last 10 to 11 years. Engineering teams for iPhone and iPad have begun work on the important applications and software feature to new operating system called ROS that will be in the current devices work with the future headset and for the gaming. The leakster John Prosser has suggested the augmented reality glass will look similar to the regular pair of glasses. Apple has considered the touch panels, voice activation, the head gestures as input methods and the range of applications to do so. Last year we saw Facebook's Oculus Quest VR headset with sleeky touch design that uses fabrics and the light partial material to wear that glass very comfortably. There is a rumor that it will feature the high quality resolution display. Both lenses will reportedly have displays and there will also be a LiDAR sensor in frames. Yeah, same LiDAR sensor we got to saw in iPad Pro. LiDAR sensor is a remote sensing method that uses a light in form of pulse, laser, a scanner and a specialized GPS receiver. This sensor combines the recorded data by the 3D information. The headset allegedly condemned N301 appears to only Apple's VR AR projects. According to the reports, Apple's been talking about the other headset N421, the first N301 and other N421. N421 headset would be reassembled with thick frames that house the battery and the chips inserted. What about the camera? We needed a camera, right? Actually 6 to 7 years ago Google had launched its smart glass. Google Glass had some privacy issues for the camera because it was recording the whole bunch of users' life. So yeah, that's the thing how would Apple inserts the camera and how Tim Cook looked towards the privacy. Apple's plan so far is to cover 8K display for each eye. Yes, 8K display, higher resolution than today's television. The box, which would be powered by custom Apple processor, more powerful than anything else at the current time. If you are tired of glass, Apple also had an innovative than the wearable tech. If you don't want to wear glass, you can wear the full-time AR contact lens. That's so insane, right? In a report of Mojo Vision, it claims to have 14,000 ppi display, and in comparison to that, iPhone 11 just has 326 ppi display. Its launch date is significantly changed. Previously, it was decided to come in Q2 of 2020, but now in pandemic situation, it can't launch. The launch date can expand to almost 2023. In an early prototype of the device, it features wireless charging capabilities in an AR glass. Steve Jobs had already thought of this tech way back in 2011. Also, it can have the Heritage Edition just like the Apple Watch 4. Apple Watch 4 has gold Nike Steve Jobs Heritage Edition worth $1,100 with its remark signature. Apple Glass might have Steve Jobs Edition, you never know. My question is that Apple Glass name is just getting weird. They can call as airframes a usual air edition. What could be the name, what they can call? Write in the comments. Feel free in the comments and suggest me about the channel and give some feedback about the channel as well. Give thumbs up to this video and subscribe the channel for more quality videos. As usual, I am signing off. I will catch you soon in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Peace out.